This is a recording for the class of 2017 to help you know how to complete and submit your teacher recommendation surveys. All students must complete a survey for each teacher that writes a recommendation for them. All of you at this point have one primary recommender that's listed on your Naviance account. That's the person for whom you should do the survey this summer. If when we meet in the fall, it's determined that you have a college that needs 2 teachers, you will need to do a second survey. When you sign into your Naviance account, click on the Colleges tab to find out who your teacher recommender is, and then click on Colleges I'm applying to. Scroll to the bottom and it will list your teacher recommender. In this case, this is a pretend student, so I've listed myself as the teacher recommender. But this is the person for whom you would write the recommendation survey. Secondly, you're going to go to the About Me tab, and on the left-hand side you'll see surveys to take. You've already done the counselor rec survey, but now you need to do a teacher survey. If your primary teacher is a collegio teacher, so if it's Miss Healy, Mr. Arthur, Mr. Mitchell, you might choose this link that says Collegio Teacher Recommendation Survey. You're going to answer all of the questions, and then you're going to scroll to the bottom and remember to either save and return later or save and I am finished. Forgetting to save it will mean you lose your work. In the fall, when you come back, if it's determined that you need a second teacher, then you're going to go back to the About Me tab and you're going to choose the appropriate survey for that teacher. So if I did a collegio teacher survey for my primary recommender, it's likely that my secondary one is a non-collegio, and I would choose that. If my primary recommender was, let's say, Miss Murphy, and she's non-collegio, I would have done this one, and it's likely that I might do a collegio teacher recommendation survey for my secondary. If you happen to be a person who has a math and science teacher, for example, you would do the non-collegio teacher for your primary, and then you might do the teacher recommendation survey too for the secondary. Right now, all you need to worry about is doing the survey for your primary recommender and getting that done by the end of the first week in August. Thank you very much.